Turbo. Not bad. Woo. Woo. You already know. Smack that subscribe. Hey guys, what's up? 20 time, we back with another video. So today, as you know, the title of the thumbnail, it's that time. It's time for another bike build. But let's go back here. Let's show you the bike that we will be rebuilding, remodeling, making it look beautiful. But I'm recording on my Canon camera right now with no mic. I want to try this out. I want to see how it sounds. But yeah, the bike, you all know, it's my Fat Ripper. Let me do a little adjustment on the lighting because back here seems pretty dark. Let me fix that real quick. Alright, so I hope you guys could see, but let's go over to beast mode. That was my last build. If you didn't see that build, make sure you go check that out. But boom, here it goes. The Fat Ripper. You all know the Fat Ripper. If you don't know the Fat Ripper, that is the bike we really started YouTube with. It was that bike. That bike right there. It's a good bike right there. But it's just that time. I'm blocking the light, sorry, but it's that time to remodel it, you know? It's gotta get remodeled. 2017 them stickers are from. That's a long time. That's like going on 5 years. We got 2022 now. Jeez! It's time to remodel this Fat Ripper, bring it back out. Only thing I need for this bike is brakes and a seat. Well, I have seats, but we're gonna replace it. And the brakes I took off of here and put them on my beast mode. So we're gonna get new brakes for this. I have new brakes probably somewhere over that section, but I'm gonna order new ones because half of these brakes are like, these are brand new, but they're UK style. I don't like them ones because I'm supposed to be this right back brake, but for some reason it's left back brake, so I ain't doing that. These ones are fine, but I'm just gonna get new. You know, we're gonna go with the new ones, but let's strip this bike down. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna strip the bike down, and we're gonna do another vlog of me taking the paint off, and you know, another vlog of me painting it, picking colors out. But I just wanted to come down here and see what parts we're gonna need. So the only parts I'm gonna have to order will be brakes, seat, and probably pedals. Not too much. So let's start taking this bike apart. Let's get it. Let's slide over here. Get this out of the way. Oh, it snuck me, yo. Sneak attack me. But get this Fat Ripper. Roll it over here. I started taking this puppy apart, you know? I gotta start riding this bike a lot more. I really like this bike a lot. This bike I can actually do tricks and stuff. So, yeah. Let's start with the wheels. Well, first, we'll flip it upside down. And we get some tools. Alright, let's start with taking this front wheel off. You already know. If you don't know, it's a 15mm socket. Just boom. You know, just want to loosen it. You don't want to take it all the way off. Same thing to the other side. Alright, so now we're going to do the back wheel. This one, since I have bottle pegs, we need an extension. So, here you go, extension. Hope it was a little tight. That was tight, yo. Same with the other side. Easy. Alright, now both are loose, pull forward, pop the chain off the front sprocket, pop it off the back, watch your fingies. Around. Pop it off, just like that. Boom, that wheel's off. That easy. Put that to the side. Now, if you can see, ooh. Now that you guys can see, you know, you got a fresh haircut today, but it's just the frame, the forks, the bars, the stem, the bottom bracket, the cranks. So now, take off everything for that. Because now we're going to need Allen keys. So let me get some Allen keys. We're going to need a 6 Allen key, a 6mm Allen key for the front for the stem, a 5mm for the top bolt for the stem, and a 6 for the crank. So let's get it. Start off through here. Allen keys. There goes one. That looks like a 5. Boom. And here goes a 6. 2 Allen keys we're going to need. That's all. Alright, hope we have good light in and stuff. As you can see, Fatbird's super light right now. But the only thing I gotta do, this is 6 Allen key. So slide bolt. Loosen up. Loose, loose, loose. Don't take it all the way out. Same with the other side. Only 2 bolts. Loose. 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 Boom. Now you see the handlebars are spinning, but the forks are straight. So all it means you need to know that it's loose. And then you get this bolt up here. Some different size Allen keys, a 5mm. Up here. Loosen that up. Well, this one you gotta take all the way out. You take it all the way out, all the way out, all the way out. Take the cap off. That's when your handlebars will pop off. Your spacers. Forks are off. Dust cap and all the good stuff and the bearings. I'm gonna put all the bearings and stuff. Take the bottom bearing out. See that? And I'm put it right on the fork. That way we don't lose it. That's the way it goes. Take the top one off. Put it on. Then the dust cap. Put that on. Then the spacers. And you could put the handlebars back on, but I'm not. I'm just going to put this bolt right there. You know. Tighten it. Don't have to tighten all the way. That way, none of this now will pop off. Turn it upside down, be able to shake. Nothing will fall off because that's bolts on. So we're good to go. Nothing will get lost. Now, it's the fun part. Pull each individual, every sticker. Gotta pull a sticker off. You know? So I ain't gonna record that. I got a video on my YouTube channel already, if you didn't see it, of me removing stickers. Make sure you go check it out. But we're not done yet. Everything's done besides the bottom bracket and the C-clamp. C-clamp may be loose. Yeah, a little bit. Just get the Allen key. You already know. Just loosen it a little bit more. Boom. It's off. Look at my donut sprocket. I love it. But, yeah. Take this bottom bracket off. Comment down below what color you think this bike's going to be. Comment down below if you have a color I should do. I'm going to be keeping the gold though. We're going to keep the gold. We're just changing the frame color, forks, the handlebars, probably the cranks too. Cranks are good cranks. They're fit cranks. I can tell by that logo. Pretty sure that the logo's a fit, but oh, yeah, that was tight. Oh, I almost crushed my finger. This frame's pretty light. There you go. Loosen that bolt. Loosen that bolt. Give it a little wiggle. Pop it off. Get the spacey. Spacer. Don't use your hand. Go grab yourself a mallet, you know, and just... Wow. Yeah, this bike definitely needed to be touched up. It definitely needed a little grease. That should have slid out a little better. That's why we're doing it. It has some grease still in there, but... Yeah, a little rust building up, so... We're gonna clean it up. Bring it back to life. Bring it back. But that fast. Frame's so light. We're gonna make this bike dope. Watch. It's gonna be really sick. Alright. Let me start stripping all these stickers off. Get back to you. Alright, so here goes the forks. I got all the stickers off. We use a little bit of heat. And then once you get the sticker off, they're gonna be like, you know, the stick you do, and you just get some WD-40. If you don't have WD-40, you can use alcohol, you can use gasoline, all that stuff works, but gasoline, I wouldn't use it in your house. Make sure you're outside with that, because that stuff stinks. But yeah, you can use over alcohol, all that stuff, but they came out really good, actually. So, now we just gotta go over there and do the frame. Let's get it. Alright guys, so here goes the frame. Let's put the frame in the light. Put it down. There goes the frame. We got all the stickers off, all the parts taken apart. So this will be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up. Hit that subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hope to catch you in the next video when be taking all the paint off this bike, stripping it, bringing it down to roll. Then we'll be figuring out a color we're painting, if we're torching, rainbowing. What are we gonna do? Power coat? What are we doing? And now we're not doing half of them things I just said. But we just threw it in there to see. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, here and now. Share, like, comment, do what you guys do best. Appreciate y'all. See you next one.